Hello viewers and welcome back. Today I got here the Honda Pioneer 520 and I'm going to be installing the fabric door panels. Let's get to it. In the kit you will get your 2 fabric door panels, 2 plastic trim pieces, and an assortment of bolts and other hardware. If you would like the paper instructions, here are what they provide you with. Simply scan the QR code or go to the website and you can print out the instructions from there. The first thing I'm going to do is take each of my hose clamps and slide on each of these rubber sheaves. Next, I'm going to take some brake clean or some isopropyl alcohol, spray it on a cloth, and I'm going to wipe the backside of this bracket. Now I'm going to take this self-adhesive hook loop, they call it. It's just a piece of Velcro. I'm going to stick it to the piece of Velcro on the door panel. And then I'll peel the plastic off the backside and stick it to the backside of this bracket. Here's where I have the piece of Velcro stuck on. Now I'm going to remove the stock lower door panel by releasing it from the net up here and these 4 5mm Allen key screws. I will also have to remove the net by taking off the top hook there, and down here. I'll have to release the 14mm nuts on the opposite side, remove this little plate, and then the net will come off. I will also remove this screw here. It is a 5mm Allen key screw as well. Next, I'm going to use a 6mm Allen key and a 12mm socket to remove the striker off the original door panel. Now I'm going to take 2 of the bigger bolts with washers and 2 nuts and install the striker onto the door panel. Next, I'm going to take our plastic trim piece and 2 of these webbing straps. I'm going to thread them through the plastic trim, like so. And I'm going to install this right there. Now I'm going to take a short 4mm Allen key bolt and washer that was provided in the kit and install it into the bottom hole right there. Now I'm going to take my brake clean or isopropyl alcohol, spray it on a cloth, and I'm going to clean this area right here, right below the plastic trim piece we just installed. Now I'm going to take our rubber seal that was provided in the kit, fold it in half, cut it, and I'm going to install it right along there. Here's how I have the rubber seal installed. To install the door panel onto the vehicle, we're going to use our 20mm long Allen key bolts. We're going to come through from the front side, and then we're going to place on one of these little brackets on the inside and then install it onto the machine. Now it's time to lift the panel up into place and install it with the 4mm Allen key bolts and brackets as I just showed. Next, we're going to take our hose clamps and thread them around the frame and around the frame of the door panel itself. I'm going to make sure the screw part is on the inside. We're going to take it just like this and go around the two frames. I've placed one up top here. I'm going to place another one right here and another one down here. Do not connect the ends of the hose clamps yet. Next, we're going to install the frame tube supports. They have a large curve on one side that will meet up with the frame of the vehicle, and a small curve on the opposite side that will meet up with the frame of the fabric door panel. We're going to install them in the same place we put the clamps. Once you have the supports in place, go ahead and tighten up the clamps finger tight, but leave them kind of loose for now. Here's how the clamps and support should look. We're going to tighten them up after we make sure everything is adjusted properly. Now I'm just going to go around, make sure it's sealing properly around the frame. I'm also going to close the door, make sure it latches properly. If it does not, you can adjust the latch on the fabric door panel. You can also loosen the fabric door panel up from down here and adjust it as well. Once you're sure everything is adjusted properly, go ahead and tighten up the hose clamps. Also check your latch and the bolts down here to make sure everything is tight as well. Don't forget to wrap your Velcro strap around the frame of the door and attach it to the frame. Once you're done the driver's side, go ahead and repeat the same procedure on the passenger side. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my fabric door panel install on the Honda Pioneer 520. Ride safe.